What's up, guys? Good to see you. Welcome to today's video.
Keto Chef Max
in the house. We got something very, very special for you today. Max, tell us what we got.
All right, so it's nothing like you've seen before, for keto at least, but
Paxton's even super excited
about it.
That's it, man.
But we're gonna be making a dessert pizza, and that's all I'm telling you right now.
A dessert
pizza. We're gonna show you
pizza.
what we got coming up.
All right, so let's make this, guys. The recipe is gonna be in the description below. We're gonna make this and then do a little keto taste test. Okay, guys, the cinnamon roll fat bomb pizza is done. We have to be very quiet because Paxton is now down for his nap, but I can barely contain my excitement.
Yeah, dude.
This looks so good.
Check this out. Let me pull up a piece for you guys.
Look at it.
It's soft, fluffy.
Looks so good. Okay. Look at that, guys. Use caution with this one. This is in moderation. This might be a good cheat meal instead of going out and eating a regular pizza.
With carbs, get this.
Get this instead. Mmm. You nailed the texture on this.
Mm-hmm. The flavor, the texture, the fat bomb on top is incredible.
This is a bold statement. I think this is the best thing you've ever made. You've outdone yourself on this, Max.
There we go.
Dang. Okay, guys, Keto Chef Max's Instagram is going to be in the description below. The entire recipe for this amazing keto dessert is going to be in the description below. We appreciate your support, guys. We're going to continue to push out amazing content for you guys. If you're trying to lose weight, we got your back, guys. We're all in this together. As always, keep up the good work and much love.